Are you tired of your iPhone camera opening by accident from your lock screen? This simple video is going to show you the steps on how you can disable the swipe to open camera feature. And I'll also show you how to completely remove the camera toggle from your lock screen. In order to do this, we first need to make sure that we're running the iOS 26.1 software update on our iPhone, or later, because this feature that we need was introduced with iOS 26.1. So I have the correct software update, and I'll go back to the main settings page and then swipe a bit in order to get access to my camera section. Here it is, so I'll open it in order to get access to a lot of different camera settings. And the option which we're looking for is this lock screen swipe to open camera. Just toggle this switch off. But if you need to remove the toggle completely or replace it with something else, then go to your lock screen, long press over your screen, and then customize. Tap the little minus icon on the camera toggle and it will be removed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.